I'm Cari. I've been coming to Excel for about 8 weeks now. I started because a friend recommended that I try it. I was trying other workout programs and I was injured last February, and it pretty much just stuck me on the couch. I couldn't move, I was in a lot of pain, I was going to doctors all the time, and I was just kind of frustrated and really starting to get just kind of depressed and sad. And so a friend recommended I come here, and I started, and right away from the first workout the trainers found things that I could do, that I had success with. I started to feel stronger within the first week, and I also joined the Little Black Dress weight loss challenge a few weeks into my membership here, and I had amazing results. I lost 16 pounds in 4 weeks, and I just feel stronger and more energetic every day. I would recommend this to anybody, my friends, my family. I just can't rave about it enough, and I'm so excited to see what the next year will bring for me.